Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most practical and eye-opening forex trading books, Naked Forex, by Alex Necritin and Walter Peters. This book is all about removing indicators from your charts and learning to trade using pure price action, what the authors call naked trading. By the end of this video, you'll understand why price action beats indicators, the psychology of trading without clutter, the exact setups and patterns taught in the book, how to manage risk, and improve your trading discipline. So grab a notebook, because this video could change the way you see the markets. Section 1. The core idea of naked forex. Most traders start with indicators, moving averages, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, but the authors argue these are lagging tools. They react to price rather than predicting it. The idea behind naked forex is simple. The chart itself already tells the story. Support and resistance, candlestick shapes, and market structure give more reliable information than dozens of indicators. The philosophy: price is the most important signal. Simplicity equals clarity. If you can't trade profitably on a naked chart, no indicator will save you. This shift is powerful because it forces traders to develop skill, patience, and discipline rather than chasing the perfect indicator system. Section 2. Trading Psychology. Before jumping into strategies, the authors stress psychology because no trading system works without the right mindset. Key lessons: accept losses. Every trader loses. The difference is how you manage it. Detach from money. Don't obsess over the profit or loss of each trade. Focus on executing your edge. Confidence over prediction. Trading is not about knowing the future. It's about working with probabilities. Patience. Many traders overtrade. Naked traders wait for high probability setups. Think of yourself as a casino. Casinos don't win every hand, but they win over thousands of hands because they play with an edge. Section 3. Support and Resistance. The Foundation. Everything in Naked Forex starts with support and resistance, S/R. Support: a price area where demand is strong, price tends to bounce up. Resistance: a price area where supply is strong, price tends to bounce down. How to identify strong zones: look for levels tested multiple times. Mark areas where price made strong reversals. Focus on recent and clear levels, not cluttering your chart. S/R is dynamic. It can switch roles. Old support can become resistance. Old resistance can become support. The naked trader uses these levels as decision points. Trade with the trend when price breaks SR. Look for reversals when price rejects SR. Section 4. Naked Forex Trade Setups. Now let's break down the specific setups taught in the book. Each of these has rules and chart examples. In this script, I'll explain them simply. 4.1. The kangaroo tail. A candlestick with a long wick rejecting a strong level. Signals a potential reversal. Works best at S/R zones. Rules: long tail sticks out from recent price action. Small body compared to tail. Occurs at clear S/R. Example: price rises into resistance. Prints a long wick rejecting it. Take short trade. 4.2. The big shadow. A candle that engulfs the previous candle completely. Shows sudden power shift. Rules: must engulf previous candle fully. Works best near SR zones. Entry is in direction of engulfing candle. This is like a price action engulfing bar, but with naked trading context. 4.3. The last kiss. Price breaks through a level, then comes back to kiss it before continuing. Example: price breaks above resistance, comes back down to retest it. The retest is the entry point. This filters out false breakouts. 4.4. Whammies and mullahs. Whammies equals double tops. Mullahs equals double bottoms. The authors give fun names, but these are simply chart reversal patterns. The key is to trade them only when they align with S/R and show strong rejection. 4.5 The Big Belt. A strong candle that opens at one extreme and closes at the other, with no wick on one side, shows strong momentum. Rules. Look for these candles after periods of consolidation. Enter in the direction of the momentum. 4.6 Trendy Kangaroo. A kangaroo tail that occurs with the trend. Confirms continuation. Example. In an uptrend, a bullish kangaroo tail forms at support. Go long. Section 5. Risk Management. Even the best setups fail. That's why risk management is everything. Principles from the book. Risk only 1 to 2% per trade. Place stops beyond the candle setup, not too tight. Aim for at least 1 to 2 risk to reward. Never move stops away, only in your favor. The authors stress, trading success is not about win rate, but about consistency and positive expectancy. Section 6. Building a Naked Trading Plan. The book emphasizes making your own plan. Choose your favorite setups, e.g., kangaroo tail, last kiss. Define rules, entry, stop, target. Backtest and forward test. Check if the plan has an edge. Journal every trade, pattern, entry, exit, emotions, result. This way, your trading becomes a business, not gambling. Section 7. Mindset and long-term success. The final chapters stress mindset. Discipline beats excitement. Boring trading is profitable trading. Detach from outcome. Focus on process, not PL. Survive first, thrive later. The first goal is to stay in the game. Think probabilities. Even the best setup may lose. Success comes over 100+ trades. The authors also encourage traders to practice naked chart reviews. Spend time looking at charts with no indicators, marking SR, and spotting patterns. Conclusion. So, to recap, naked forex, throw away indicators. Trust price action and structure. Master setups like kangaroo tail, last kiss, big shadow, and whammies/mullahs. Focus on psychology, risk management, and patience. This book isn't about a magic system. It's about training your eyes and mind to read the raw market and building discipline around it. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with traders who still clutter their charts with indicators. Thanks for watching, and remember, trade naked, trade simple, and trade smart.